What if you could transform your ideas into stunning videos with incredible ease? That's the magic VidU AI brings to the table, and we're excited to introduce their brand new reference to video feature in VidU Q1, paired with 4 other fantastic tools to fuel your creativity. So let's get right into discovering how VidU can bring your stories to life, starting with feature 1, reference to video. This feature blends up to 7 reference images, characters, props, or backgrounds into a cohesive video. Unlike image to video, which typically uses one or a few images as a starting point with limited flexibility, this integrates multiple images for enhanced detail and seamless consistency across frames. Compared to text to video, which depends on text descriptions that may lack specificity, this uses concrete visuals for precise, visually consistent narratives or animations aligned with your vision. Begin by selecting the VidU Q1 model for exceptional quality. Navigate to the Reference to Video section and upload your images. Save these to your My References library for effortless access in future projects. Enter a vivid prompt, choose 1080p resolution, set a 5-second duration, and select Medium Movement Amplitude for balanced dynamic motion. Click Generate to see your vision come alive. The result is a polished professional video that captures your imagination. To showcase the versatility of this feature, continue with the VidU Q1 model for top-tier quality. In the Reference to Video section, upload new images. Save them to My References for future use. Input the prompt, set 1080p resolution, a 5-second duration, and auto movement amplitude. Now click Generate to watch your scene unfold. Feature 2, text to video. Ready to turn words into visuals? The text to video feature transforms your written ideas into vivid 1080p videos that are up to 5 seconds long. Powered by VidU Q1, this tool delivers extraordinary clarity and detail. For optimal results, structure your prompt with 4 key elements: the subject or scene, the action, the environment, and the artistic style. In the text to video section, ensure VidU Q1 is selected for outstanding quality. Enter your carefully crafted prompt. Choose the general style, set a 5-second duration, and select 1080p resolution. Opt for auto movement amplitude to let VidU balance the motion naturally, then pick your preferred aspect ratio. Click Generate to review the output. If you want more vibrancy, just add more details to your prompt and generate again. Feature 3. Image to video. Now let's bring still images to life with the image to video feature. By uploading 2 images as your starting and ending frames, VidU Q1 can generate a seamless video filled with rich details and fluid motion, ideal for storytelling, promotional content, or striking visual effects. Next, navigate to the image to video section and upload your images. Add a descriptive prompt, select 1080p resolution, and choose high movement amplitude for bold, engaging motion. Now click Generate to watch your images transform into a mesmerizing sequence. Feature 4, AI sound effects. Want to make your videos even more immersive? The AI sound effects feature lets you create custom audio tailored to your 5-second clips. By describing the sounds and their precise timing, you can add depth and emotion, enhancing the overall experience of your visuals. In the AI sound effects section, enter a prompt and specify when each sound should occur. Generate the audio and check that it syncs perfectly with your video. If adjustments are needed, refine the timing or description for a seamless fit. This feature enriches your videos with professional, precisely timed audio, bringing your visuals to life with remarkable realism and emotional resonance. And now for the bonus feature, community references and additional tools. First, let's connect with others through the Community References feature, which elevates reference to video by fostering a creative community. Start by browsing reference images shared by other creators, or even share your own to inspire others, making it even easier to create consistent content for popular characters or original designs. Visit the Community References tab, pick an image and click Use. Now save it to your My References library for quick access, and add a prompt, Generate with VidU Q1, and refine the output for a polished result. To share your own image, upload it to My References, submit it for review, and once approved, it's available for the entire community to explore. Additionally, VidU offers template to video, enabling you to create trending viral videos by uploading 1 or 2 photos with no prompt required. And for ultimate plan users, non-peak mode allows video generation at no cost during off-peak hours, preserving credits for when inspiration strikes. Altogether, these tools streamline your creative process with remarkable efficiency. Whether you're crafting a single scene or an entire series, VidU makes your vision a reality with ease. So are you ready to start your creative journey? Click the link below to explore VidU today.